In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders in Google Sheets, specifically on the desktop version. Adding borders can help visually separate information, making your data clearer and more organized. So, let's dive right in and explore how to effectively use this feature. Start by selecting the cells where you'd like to add these borders. To do this, simply click and drag across the grid to highlight the specific cell or range. This selection is essential because it defines where you'll be adding your border lines. Once your selection is made, head over to the toolbar at the top of the screen and look for the borders icon. It resembles a square divided into 4 smaller sections. Give that a click, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear before you. This menu offers several border placement options, such as all borders, outer border, inner lines, and individual options like top, bottom, left, or right borders. These choices allow for flexibility so you can tailor the border placement according to your needs. Next, it's time to choose a border style. Once you've decided where the borders should go, you'll have the option to pick a style from solid to dashed or even dotted lines. This gives a nice personal touch to how you present your data. To further customize, you can also set the border color by clicking on Border Color within the same drop-down menu. Here, you can either select a color from the palette provided or enter a specific hex code if you're going for a custom look. After making your selections for placement, style, and color, proceed to apply the changes. Click on the border option you've decided upon, like All Borders or Outer Border, and the border will be applied to the chosen cells. This step finalizes the appearance of your data as intended. If you wish to replicate these borders across other parts of your worksheet, consider using the Format Painter tool. This tool is represented by a paint roller icon in the toolbar. It allows you to copy the border style from one cell or range and effortlessly apply it to another, maintaining uniformity in your sheet's aesthetic. Should you decide to remove any borders, it's straightforward. Select the cells from which you want to clear the borders, click the borders icon again, and choose the No Border option in the drop-down menu. Easily clearing borders makes it simple to revise your data presentation when needed. For those who like using keyboard shortcuts, here are a couple useful ones for Windows and Chrome OS users. To create an outer border, use Alt plus Shift plus 6. If you ever need to remove all borders with a quick keystroke, press Alt plus Shift plus 5. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding and customizing borders in Google Sheets on desktop. With these steps, your data will be neatly organized, aiding in both clearer presentation and better data management.